Are you looking to get your kids in the world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics? In the next few years, artificial intelligence and robotics will touch hundreds and millions of jobs. We believe that making a child engaged early in their lives with science, technology, engineering, robotics, coding, and mathematics will enrich their life and also get them on a wonderful life of happiness and success in the next generational technologies. We also believe that STEM programs should inspire a child to learn, work towards goals, and have a ton of excitement and fun. With the help from the experts, your child at MySTEM will build skills and learn the latest technology through project-based learning while having fun in an engaging and immersive environment. Are you ready to give your children the STEM skills of today and the future? Will your child innovate the world's next big tech platform like Apple, Amazon, Google, or Microsoft? MySTEM in Lake Mary, Florida prepares kids to thrive in the new world. Come join us and be part of the success.